All right, traders, let's talk S&P 500, right? Let's talk S&P 500, and well, this is actually the Nasdaq. I'm sorry. Let's talk about the Nasdaq, and let's start by looking at what I was looking for a couple of weeks ago. Remember, this was the path that I was looking for to buy into some weakness. What happened here is that I bought into some weakness here, eventually just bailed out when I saw that price was unable to break with those highs, right? So that trade was a break-even trade for me. And right now, we are going to look for some more areas where to buy. And I actually am liking this zone right here on the Nasdaq. These previous lows right here. Yesterday's candle was a quite undecisive candle after a massive bearish candle on Tuesday, I believe. And now we are seeing some quite a reversal structure on the lower time frame. So let's go to the hourly, and what I'm going to do here is well, I'm going to look at this possible long on the Nasdaq at the break of this reversal structure, right? So the neckline should be around around these levels. Let's actually use the correct line to draw this. I am looking at a possible breakout of this next structure, or of this reversal structure at the break of, let's call it the neckline, right? And basically what I am looking for is a retest of the weekly pivot and these previous lows, right? Now this should be the first impulsive move should this scenario play out, of course. If this scenario doesn't play out, I am done looking for longs on the Nasdaq for at least a while. But this scenario gives me a great possible it gives me a 1.7 R on a breakout, on a bullish breakout. Now, I will be managing that trade accordingly. If it plays out, of course, I'll be sending that to my VIPs too. So heads up to that. If you want to be part of my VIPs and get my trades, the link is below this video. But eventually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the breakout, of course, place my buy stops in a correct in the correct level, and manage my trade should this scenario play out, of course, and look for some real bullishness out of this market. If you look at the 4-hour chart, this is what concerns me a little bit about that level. Now we are basically retesting and rejecting August lows at the moment. This is why I'm looking for longs, right? Possible longs. The last time that we were trading here, or price was trading here, this is where bulls jump into this market, rallying price up about or exactly from August lows to August high, 6.3%. So that's what I'm looking at. What concerns me a little bit about that level, and this is why I'm going to be taking profits there first, is this. All right, this is a massive level, and should bulls be able to break with that, with the 15,150 level, the next one would be the 15,370 level, or this previous base. Right now, I will be looking to add on a possible breakout retest of the 15,160 level. And yeah, my VIPs are going to get that. So, bull views on the Nasdaq. I don't have a plan for a bearish scenario here. Only bullish scenario. So, if price breaks with today's lows, this idea is no longer valid in my mind. All right. So, thank you for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I go live or upload a video. Thank you.